Hello viewers, welcome to Emmanuel Maths Academy. So in the previous videos, we were able to look at the topic indices. Then we also saw the rules of indices. So in this particular video, we'll be applying those rules of indices in this problem, right? Now the first question says, evaluate 8 power 1 over 3 times 5 power 2 over 3 all over 10 power 2 over 3, right? Now, solution. So that we have 8 power 1 over 3, right, times 5 power 2 over 3 all over 10 power 2 over 3. Now this is the same thing as what? 8 can be reduced to the base of 2, right? Meaning that 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 8, right? 2 raised to power 3. You have 2 raised to power 3 times, remember your what? 1 over 3 times 5 over 2 over 3, right? And from this, we can also separate this, right? You can separate this to what? 2 times 5 power 2 over 3. Is that clear? Now, the next step is what? 3 will cancel 3. We have 2 raised to power 1, right? Times 5 power 2 over 3 all over this power 2 over 3 is distributive among these two numbers here. Remember the law of indices that says if you have x, y, power a, this is distributive in x and y. This is equal to what? X power a and y power a, right? Now we apply this rule here. We now have 2 power 2 times 3 times 5 power 2 times 3. Is that clear? Now this is equal to what? 2 power 1. You now apply the second law, the subtraction law of indices, subtraction and division law, which says if you have x power a divided by x power b, this is equal to what? S power a minus b, right? You now having that this, they are having the same base, 2 and 2. This divided by this, you now give you 2 power 1 minus 2 over 3, right? We have minus 2 over 3 times 5 power 2 over 3. You now apply the same law again. You now have again minus 2 over 3. Now this is equal to what? This is equal to what? Now have 2 power 1 over 3 times 5 power 0, right? Remember that anything raised to power 0 is 1, right? You now have 2 power 1 over 3 times 1. You now have the same 2 power 1 over 3. This is equal to what? 3 root 2, right? Now, question number 2 says simplify this. 3 roots into bracket 64r power minus 6 all power 1 over 2, right? You remember in the law that says if you have a root x, this is the same thing as what? X power 1 over a, right? Remember that law. Let's apply that law in this. Now let's start. Number 2, this is equal to 3 root 64 r power minus 2 power minus 6 power 1 over 2. This is equal to what? 64 r power minus 6 1 over 2 all power 1 over 3. Applying this rule. Applying this rule here, right? Now this is equal to what? You use this power to multiply, applying the power rule, right? When you say that if you have s power a power b, this is equal to what? S power ab, where the power will multiply each other, right? If you use this power to multiply each other, we have what? 1 over 6. That means this is equal to what? 64r power 6 or 1 over 6, right? Now you now have that this is equal to 64 is the same thing as 2 power 6, right? If you break it down, you have 2 power 6 r minus 6 power 1 over 6. Is that clear? Then we also now apply this power 1 over 6 in this 2 and r. That means this 1 over 6 will come inside to multiply 6 and also minus 6. You now have 2 power 6 times 1 over 6 dot r power minus 6 times 1 over 6. 6 will cancel 6, 6 will cancel 6. We have 2 power 1 times r power minus 1. This is equal to what? 2 over r. The reciprocal. Because r power minus 1 is equal to what? 1 over r. You now multiply 1 over r by 2. You now have 2 over r. As simple as that. Now, the third question says, what is the product of 23 over 5, 3 power minus 3, and 1 over 5 power minus 1? What is product? Product simply means the multiplication. The multiplication of these numbers. That's the meaning of product. That means we multiply this with this and this, right? So number 3. We have 27 over 5 times 3 power minus 3 times 1 over 5 all power minus 1, right? This is equal to what? 27 over 5 times the reciprocal of this will give you what? Times 1 over 3 power 3 times this 5 will come up because of this inverse. You now have 5, right? 5 will cancel 5, right? Then this is 27. 3 raised to the power 3 will give you what? 27. Because 3 times 3 times 3 will give you 27. That means this will cancel this. You have what? 1.